Auntie Carline, you draw closer and closer to the airport, you know, how you feel?
I feel so good, you know.
My favorite cup in the entire world. After I get up this morning, make some coffee, and so I could just put it on the table and watch it go cricket because it get interesting. And look at this. I know I'm not have to tell you who the culprit is. You don't know already, right? I'm gonna leave you to figure out. Today's one of them sad kind of days, you know? Auntie Carline is leaving us. Oh no! Feel like crying, man. Yeah, she has to go home today. Today she fly all the way back to Canada, you know, and yeah, like a sad vibe just come over because I'm not telling her, like, she really and truly helped her out to the babies for the past 2 weeks that she's been here. You don't realize we get to do a whole heap of activities over that period of time, all because she's here, you know. She would be a perfect nanny for them. But, you know, we continue to look and see what we can find as a nanny to take care of the girls. Yeah, it's a struggle. But we're grateful. So, yeah, go and wait for her. She'll get ready, she'll pack her bags and things. Auntie Carline, do you really have to go?
Yes. If it wasn't for school, I would never leave my babies.
Gosh. You hear that, baby? Finger mash, no cry. Remember, play where I play. Yeah. Mash her too. See? How is that? How is that feeling? Hot? Yes. Alright, I'll leave it alone. While Emma is here playing with her toys. Emma, guess what? We're going to the airport with Auntie Carline. Yes. Let's go. Let's go.
You gonna miss Auntie Luna? Okay. You gonna miss Auntie Carline? Okay.
Yeah, she said yes. Okay. Nice, thank you. Auntie gonna miss you so much too. Really gonna miss you guys if I didn't have to go back to school, honestly.
You may have something to say? Yes?
No way I believe in right now.
True.
Romaine and Liz, I really want you to know that I appreciate the way you guys treat me, the hospitality. I don't take it for granted. I really appreciate it.
Oh.
You can feel the love, even from your Romaine.
Yeah.
You can feel the love, the care, you know. So I do appreciate it.
No, but I don't think I
To be honest, I really want to cry because, you know, it really hurt to be leaving right now.
What's
It really hurt to be leaving the girls.
So you'll be back soon?
Yes.
No worry.
I'm not crying.
A few moments later.
Auntie Carline, you draw closer and closer to the airport, you know, how you feel?
I feel so good, you know. I don't feel so well at that.
Oh my gosh. One thing we know, Liz, you know, somebody spend time with you and then you know them about to leave. You know, when you really and truly realize that them not there no more.
Oh, when the back them have come out?
No, man.
Or when they stop, you know, feeling presence in the...
When you reach back home, man, and you just know say normally that probably has hear Auntie Carline advice, I talk to one of the baby them, or you know,
I move round,
or move round. You see when you now see or feel or hear that, oh gosh, them time the reality hit, you know.
What can we say now?
Sure.
You know, like remain no change that there, but if I can be say more than me, in other sense there.
Even when I make the feeding them. Like Auntie Carline just come take it halfway. If she catch me halfway, she take it. I want to deal with it, that's all.
She pay them every single day. Every opportunity to change them.
No, but the truth of it, you know, I mean, at least. You see, when you love somebody,
Yeah.
you don't have to make every sacrifice, because it's not what is comfortable or convenient to you. You do. It's a sacrifice, because this is how we show. It's not like, oh, you know, let's say when you're dead, we're gonna get you flowers or something, and know you're alive. We watch you. You maybe not struggling, or maybe can't give you money, but I think when you love somebody, you do or give them what you have.
Yeah. Sometimes
Yeah,
at
so-
the time and the needs. The
Yes,
needs.
yes.
Yeah.
I always say that, like, you know, people always forget about, you know, things where you can hold,
Material things. to mash
material
up.
things. You know, but you see, time spent with each other are some of the greatest memories.
Yes.
Them always last.
And let me tell you something. Remember, say every evening we're on the phone together, you know.
Yes.
We spend a lot of time on the phone together, and sometimes not every day we get to talk, but when we do talk, we spend a lot of time on the phone together. Me, Auntie Carline, Amanda, and is it
True.
you coming and being here and getting the chance to spend some time with the girls?
Yes, yes.
Trust
yes.
me, it have way more impact than even the phone call them
That's
and the
true, that's
reassurance
true.
over the phone.
Because
You don't even know.
me and Amanda was saying, oh, when we're going to see the girls getting big, and you know, it's like reality. You know, to say, wow, it's not a dream anymore, it's real.
Because she did just
Get to
meet them
hold
like
them.
briefly at 2 weeks old.
Yes.
Remember
yes.
me? I would go look for grandma. Hi, me see plenty else.
See?
I wonder if we can stand up on the waving gallery.
Oh God, you remember? Well, yep. Romain, tell the truth. You ever experienced waving gallery?
No, we just hear about it.
My experience here, my baby.
Yes, I'm a bit.
And every time you see at the window them, you think I hear a person.
What
I wave to
happened?
you. Here, mama. Here. But you have one already.
But that's supposed to be the weirdest thing, because especially knowing it's a two-sided plane of, and I just one side of window.
But the truth of it, you know, as Anna said, you don't see the wave, you're not sure who.
You just a wave.
You just a wave, really.
Imagine me over on the next side of the plane of Virgonation. And my family out there wave to other people, things that me do that wave to.
Another ball.
Yeah. We have in gallery for them on both sides, but
But it's not possible.
in a possible.
Watch out. Every time Raina come on the road, Raina asleep. Raina!
Raina whip, man. Raina make Emma outdoor.
Pulling up, Auntie Carline, oh gosh.
Remember you went down to the middle
Here,
door.
Canada.
Woo! Here, Auntie Carline.
Oh my goodness. Princess, love you. See you. Only the little talk we're gonna get for now.
Yes.
Give Auntie this. Give Auntie this.
Sad day, but you know. So go. Ready to go?
Yes.
A few moments later.
Raina! Raina! Raina!
Rainy, wake up now.
Raina! Wake up, baby. We live out of the car for 2 minutes? And that's a go?
cartoon until she fall asleep.
Emma,
Emma, I eat her.
what's up with Raina? You don't know? Okay.
I'm not crying.
Oh my gosh.
People don't even understand.
People know. Only we. I don't know, man. Yeah, wallet, man.
No man, my wallet, man. It's a little thing got in my eye.
Yeah. Auntie Carline. But you got your good.
Can you see that?
Oh, that's a light too.
When they go home, Emma will, you know, we chill and read our books. We're not all over the house. Climbing up on stuff, pulling down everything, turning on the lights on if it turn on.
few moments later.
Whoa, baby. Mommy's working on your hair. Oh, you mean? You know, so you have a good style though. Yeah, what do you go on? You're not going to bad. Right, baby? You love it? Are you deep into this thing?
Deep in her.
Oh, and you eat bread?
That's kind of a distraction, babe. Let me finish my cleanup.
Nice, deep into this thing. And just like that, you're ready. You are ready for bed, right? You see them things I'm telling about Virgonation? That is the reason why we can't keep her in the crib. See your face? I'm back to back up my phone on man. Oh my god. Listen, this isn't my phone, you know. So while Reina could hold it together, here we go. Emma and Andrew see him. Right, mommy?
I get frustrated now.
Oh god, this is when I bad. I say, oh god, I'm hungry now. Mommy, they can't go and hold her for me. Cause I'm hungry.
Emma can stop later.
3.
Mm-mm.
1, 2,
Baby,
3.
getting mommy trouble?
Donuts.
Emblem?
No, just don't like alignment.
I can lie out today.
2, 3, 4. 4 Christmas stockings.
Hey Reina. What are you doing? Who are you calling?
She smile.
Who are you calling, baby?
Are you not mind you disable my phone, you know?
Rainy.
Can I have my phone, please? Can I have my phone back?
She's not even pay your mind.
Can I have it?
Sorry, Priscilla. What are you doing now?
Can I have it?
Lock up here.
Let me take it from her. Hey. Thank you. Let me show you what happens when she see my phone. Let me show you what happened. Alright. See, I put it back. Careful, mind you fall. I'm going to show you what happened when she have my phone. Okay. Alright.
Swipe up, swipe down.
Oh, shit. And this happens with the iPad. So because of that, she and Emma are always fighting. And because of that, I have to get them a second iPad because Reina likes swipe and Emma just wants to watch her videos. How will I go work it out, I mean?
Emma is reading.
Yeah, Emma is all about her books, by the way. All about her books.
Hey, baby.
Emma.
Emma.
A is for... Emma.
Say it now.
No, A is not for daddy.
It's not for daddy.
A is not for daddy. A is for apple.
A is for apple. What's your phone? Apple. B is for ball. Ball. C is for cake. Cake. D is for
Dog. The dog.
Ruff.
She ready to clap? Ready to sing with me now? Come. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. Sing Rina. W, X, Y, and G. Now.
Y and G. This is Y and G.
Y and Z.
Can't go back to school right now.
They've never realized. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing it with me? Yay! Say yay, Emma. Yay! Show me one. One. Show me one. One. Show me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Show me 5. 5. Yes, 5.
Good girl.
A few moments later.
Oh gosh. The Virgonation. So the girls, I'm going to bed now. So we finally have like a quiet time. Auntie Carline gone for real.
Will it help gone?
Well, it could help gone.
Right.
Yeah. And the same thing we made talk about today, like when you know somebody really leave out of the space where you're in is a moment like this. You know, you hear the little voice, you know, see the person that walk behind you again, go make tea.
Or run behind the girls or play with them.
Yeah.
Or just overall, just a relief way from all our responsibilities. Remain no change, no diaper for Auntie Carline there.
Tell them.
Oh gosh, me happy.
Work, work I can start back.
Yeah.
But yeah. And as you see, the videos have been flowing from us, like for the past month or 2 months.
Mm-hmm.
Because if
We've been consistent.
yeah, when Mommy and Shanti sometimes come around, I help out, so we could get to do some things, you know. We're just grateful for all the help that we get, and ready to start the next chapter.
Plus, both of us will be getting busy. It's a busy period for my job. We're going to need the help, so you know,
Yeah.
we have to do what we have to do.
Yeah, what I'm thinking there.
Birthday club.
It's a birthday club.
Virgonation, let's jump right into it. Just going to send happy birthday to a few persons that were born in November out there in Virgonation. And I hope somewhere out there someone is hearing their name right now. So Amoy Sutherland is sending happy birthday wishes to her daughter Danielle Horton, who will be celebrating her birthday on November 26th. Nikisha Williams is sending happy belated birthday wishes to her daughter Nikaylee Matheson, who celebrated her birthday on November 11. And she's also sending birthday wishes to Nikyle Matheson, who celebrates his birthday on November 22nd. Michelle Malcolm celebrates her birthday on November 23rd, so happy birthday when it comes, Michelle Malcolm.
Yeah.
Adrina Taylor celebrates her birthday on November 24th as well. So happy birthday when it comes, Adrina Taylor. Natrisa Dare is sending happy birthday wishes to her mother, Alicia Reese, who celebrates her birthday also on November 24th. I'm also going to backtrack a bit. So Celine Nemhard celebrated her birthday on November 10th. She sent another message to say, I didn't hear my name last week, so please don't forget me this week. So happy birthday, Celine Nemhard, or should I say happy belated birthday to you on November 10th.
Belated.
Yes. Happy birthday wishes to Karen Stenneth on November 16th. Special birthday wishes also to Simone Hutchinson, who celebrates her birthday on the 21st of November. Happy birthday wishes goes out to Annette Bellinfant. I hope I pronounced your name correctly. And that's it for birthday club for this video.
And if you're born in November and maybe you sent a request for us to wish you happy birthday and you never hear it, we just want you to know that you're special. Happy birthday. All of God's richest blessings to you all out there. Virgonation family.
Yep.
Big up on yourself every time.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. See you next time.
Peace.